Hey everybody, it's Jay here and welcome to my channel. If you are struggling to find out those highly relevant, high demand keywords within your niche so that you can target your book on those keywords, then this video is for you. I get messages all the time from authors, asking me how to figure out what are those keywords that we should include in our campaigns. So I thought I'll just create a quick video on this subject. So without any further delay, let's just dive into this. So there are two simple methods to find the keywords in your niche. One is free and the other one is paid. So let's just go through the free method. So one of the easiest and the free way of finding your relevant keywords is on Amazon itself. Amazon algorithm is so advanced that it gives you keywords, just put the list in front of you to use. So for example, if I go to the search bar and if I type Python, just imagine if Python programming was my book, right? So as you can see, it has given me about 7 to 8 keywords to work on. And these are not just random keywords. These are highly relevant, high demand keywords that their readers are typing on Amazon for a book in Python programming, right? So you just enter your seed keyword of your book and then just give a space like this, right? And then the Amazon will give you a list of keywords, and and then you see which one is relevant to you. For example, in this case, the Python programming is a keyword. Python programming for kids is a keyword if it's for kids. If not, then you would put kids as a negative targeting. And then Python programming for beginners, Python programming book, and kit, Kindle, maybe exercises or software is irrelevant if you are targeting the paperback version. If not, then you can type Python programming Kindle as well. So this is the free way of finding the keywords in your niche. And what is the other way of finding it is through a third party tool, right? There are many out there. Publisher Rocket is one of it, which I think many other use. I personally use Helium 10. This is my favorite tool, and I've been using it for seven to 8 years now. And I'll probably show you how it works, right? So, for example, if I have a Python programming as a book, I'll just type in there, and what I'll do is, right, and you get a extension that is attached to your Chrome platform, and once you have their subscription, you can use these functionalities within the extension. So for example, there's something called X-ray keywords and there's something called Amazon product research. Both of them are good enough to give you a high keywords. So my favorite is Amazon product research, right? So what we do, we just select that, and so once you select that, you have to pick the top 10 highest revenue generating books in your niche, and then you have to figure out what are they targeting their or what are the keywords that they are using to books. We'll let load uh, for some time. So it's fetching right now. Yeah. So as you can see, it has given you a list of books that are on the first page. Why we target first page? Because first page of any keyword or any niche is the place where a lot of sales are happening. As a matter of fact, about 80% sales are happening on the first page, right? So what we filter it by revenue. We want to do, from top to highest to the lowest, right? So we'll pick our books here, and so for example, this is also Python, this is also Python. Make sure they are relevant. They are not some other. So if you select that, you scroll down, and like this, you have to select 10. We'll be selecting 10, right? We'll scroll down, and this, and we'll pick this also, yeah. And then we do something called run cerebro, So as you can see, it has used those 10 books we have given it, and it has given us a list of keywords. Having said that, what we want to do under match type is the organic. We want to see what are those keywords that are organically ranked, not sponsored site rank. And we also want to have the ranking competitors as minimum three, which means we want minimum those keywords that are common in minimum three books and more, right? You apply that filter. Once you do that and you scroll down and you do the search volume filter, as you can see, it has given you keywords that were not there. For example, the word Python was not there. Here it's saying that it has about 6,000, and which is a good amount of search volume. So we'll be using Python programming. Python crash course is, I guess, but you can use that as well. Probably not coding, software science, probably not. Probably Python book. As you can see, it's there in the Amazon search as well, and rest of the Python programming for beginners, I guess, right? So these are the 4 to 5 that I would be using if I'm just starting out and I don't know, I don't have any data. So I would be using these keywords and will go a bit aggressive on my advertising to start with. If I am a non-fiction author and I want to create a brand around Python programming, and I have a product and services outside of Amazon programming. So in that case, these are the keywords where I have to show my as to to highlight myself as a subject matter expert. So these are two methods that you can use. No wonder Amazon free method of Amazon is also good, but the software gives you a bit of an edge to figure out whether there are other keywords that you can play with. Both of them are good. It's just that what you prefer of targeting, right? And I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. And if you're somebody who is struggling with ads on your books and it's a non-fiction book, I have put my calendar in the description. Feel free to block a time. We can just go through the ads, and maybe a small tweak could good change in your ads performance. So see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.